Hey, gang, Carl White here. Hey, this is a special edition of the podcast. I want to get this out real quick because this is so important. This may be the most impactful, most results getting podcast episode I've ever done. For those of you that that take action, right? Which we all know that's the people that get all the closings, all the money is the people that do something, right? Do something that actually closes more loans. So we're having a special event coming up this coming Tuesday. And boy, I'd love for you to be a part of it. So we normally do this thing called Call Stars. Now, what Call Stars is it's a group of top producing loan officers all across the country where we meet on a Zoom meeting. And on this Zoom meeting, we spend the first 10 minutes talking about our wins yesterday, what worked for us, and what we're tweaking to get even better results. And then we spend the next 10 minutes talking about, hey, here's the outbound prospecting we're doing today. Here's who we're talking to. This is what we're saying. And we recommend that you guys do the same thing, right? This is like proven strategies that the top producers do. And so that's our normal Monday through Thursday. But we're doing something very special. We're doing a thing called the Call Stars Blitz. So the Call Stars Blitz, again, we're doing this, and I want you to be a part of it. We're doing this Tuesday, March 4th from 9:30 a.m. Until we're done. Because what we're going to do is collectively, we're all going to meet on a Zoom meeting, like I just described to you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have more conversations, which equals more deals. And again, more deals equals more money. How we're going to do that is we're going to speak to each individually, right? Collectively together, but our speakers are turned down and our mics are turned down, that we're going to each talk to 50 people in one day, right? Now, I know you might be freaking out a little bit. Don't worry. We totally got your back on this. And again, we're going to be collectively doing this together. Think of like birds flying in a formation or race cars going down the track in the draft, helping each other go even faster. So there's no cold calls in this, right? I put together a perfect script for you to call, and this will be able to get referrals, an introduction to people that give you referrals from people that you know, your past database, real estate agents, maybe people from your church, friends, family, like social groups you might be in. This script is totally cool. I totally got your back on this. What this is going to provide is accountability and structure. So what that means is like no more procrastination. You'll be in a live environment with other motivated loan officers making calls together, and this keeps you focused, which gets you results. The second part is you've got proven scripts, and this is a proven strategy. I'm going to give you the scripts. So before we start dialing, you're going to have the scripts in hand. And then on that morning, on Tuesday, on the Call Stars Blitz, we're going to go over yet again exactly what to say, how to handle objections, and how to get more referrals from people that you already know, right? And what this is it includes like high impact networking. I mean, you're not just making calls, you're doing it with some of the best in the business. Like we're all on this Zoom together with our cameras on, and you're watching us and we're watching you. And I'm going to tell you right now that surrounding yourself with top producers, it sharpens your skills and it keeps up the momentum. And it does that by helping reset the bar of what's possible. And what I mean by that is think of like if you go run a marathon that's 27 miles. And then like the next week, somebody says, hey, I want you to run 2 miles a week. You go, dude, 2 miles a week is totally easy because I just ran 27 last week, right? And that's what this does is it resets the bar on what's possible to get you maximum results so that when you have your normal prospecting days, it's really like a piece of cake because you did what it took to have and got the results from having a marathon. And this is going to help give you confidence and consistency. Now, if you struggle with staying consistent, this event will retrain your habits and it'll show you how to make prospecting like second nature. Hey there. Hey, if you're loving the tips so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button right down there and then tap the little bell so that you never miss out on more free cool tips coming your way. Also, I would love to hear from you. drop a comment beneath there. Let me know what you think, or tell me what you'd like to hear next. And again, more appointments, more conversations, more deals, more money. By the end of this session, by the end of this one single day, you'll have talked to 50 people that you already know. That's 50 opportunities to generate referrals, re-engage past clients, and get new business. And I can tell you something, I've seen a very unusual thing. I see record numbers of loan officers leaving the business. At the same time, I see other loan officers having record closings in their business like this very month, right? And it's simply a choice of what activity you're choosing to do. That's all it is. And this is going to give you the competitive edge. Let me tell you something. Loan officers aren't just winging it right now. They have systems and a community that keeps them growing. And it's my firm belief that the Call Stars is that systems. It is that community. And this Blitz is your chance to experience the difference. Right? I want you to just like breathe in what this could do for you. The future you 2 months from now that's closing all those extra loans, like I could tell you, I could go back and kiss me on the lips for putting me in the position that I'm in today. And I want you to do the exact same thing. So the closings you did this month is the effort you did the last 60 days. And so we're going to reset and put you just a huge competitive edge for 60 days from now or 30 days from now, that when those loans start closing. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to getmoreloans.com, getmoreloans.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to talk to either myself or somebody in the office, and they're going to tell you exactly how this works, right? They'll help you get started, and they'll give you the scripts and everything to get started. And if we need to, once you become a part of this, that I'll be happy to meet with you personally and go over the scripts with you. So we totally got your back on this. This is a very important thing. And hey, look, you join us on the Call Stars Blitz, and at the end of that day, you go, hey, this wasn't a good match. In a very unlikely event that you say this wasn't a good match, I'll refund you your money, and you can keep the scripts, right? Like totally cool. And so there's literally nothing for you to lose and everything to gain. My refund policy is yes, and that's worked out for us very, very, very well. So getmoreloans.com, getmoreloans.com. Be a part of the Call Star Blitz. Do what it takes to make things happen. And it's my firm belief that this one day of having 50 conversations will reset what you think is possible. Oh, sure, we do a lot of other things. We have a lot of classes on AI. We have a lot of classes on working on our CRM. We have a lot of classes on video marketing. We have a lot of classes on social media happy hours. So we've got you covered from soup to nuts. But on this day, I want you to be one of the best that communicates with 50 people in one day, an actual very short conversation. And don't get freaked out. I totally got your back. Just do it. I'm telling you, just do this. So go to getmoreloans.com, and that'll take you to a calendar. Once you put in a little information, it'll take you to a calendar where you pick a time and day that works best for you, and they'll walk you through this thing and help you get started. And on the site, getmoreloans.com, where it says, what would you like to talk about? Tell them Call Stars Blitz. And that way they know to move you to the front of the line. Call Stars Blitz is what you want to talk about. I'm just fully convinced this is going to just reset your whole trajectory. But we'll find out for sure at the end of that day. And that's when you make your decision. So don't make your decision today. Just do it. And then make your decision about, hey, if this is a good fit for you after you do the Call Stars Blitz. So I guess you can look at the Call Stars Blitz as my gift to you, just to get you up and going and get you started, because that's the way we roll around here. So we got your back. The whole gang is waiting on you. We got like about 100 loan officers or hundreds across the nation that's likely to be on that Call Stars Blitz. And the only thing is missing is you. So see you on the inside, getmoreloans.com. I'll see you on the next episode of the podcast. We'll have our normal episodes, but go take action right now. this is what's going to move the needle for you. I'm just thoroughly convinced. Getmoreloans.com. I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you Tuesday on Call Stars Blitz.